Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to make LinkedIn profile photo in Canva. For us to be able to begin, just go and log in onto your Canva account. Once you're on the homepage of Canva, there is a create button on the left side of the screen. Click on it to browse on the different templates that you could use to create a design. And since we're doing it for a LinkedIn profile picture, so you have that one here, just search it on a search bar if you're not seeing it on your end. Just type in profile picture and the profile picture templates will show up. Just choose the LinkedIn profile picture option and wait for Canva to load again. Now, once Canva loads, you'll just have to go ahead and upload the photo of yourself that you want to use as a profile photo. Click on the upload button, click on upload files, and then choose the file or photo that you want to use. Just wait for it to be downloaded, and right after, once it is downloaded, drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and crop or resize it as per your liking. So just make sure that it shows your face. So make it clear and adjust it correctly as per your liking. And once you're satisfied with the adjustment, just go ahead and click on the background remover or the BG remover. It will go ahead and scan the photo and remove the unnecessary backgrounds of your photo. A good LinkedIn profile photo shouldn't have any distractions or unnecessary background at the back. But don't worry, you could still add a background for this. You can leave it as white, add in colors, or add in a background. So to add in a background of your choice, head here on elements on the left side and then you can type in background. Right after, you can click on graphics. Now browse onto the different graphics that are available and choose which one you think is suitable for your profile picture. So just resize it right after and click on the position to move this backward. Now once you're satisfied with your photo, just simply click on share, then click on download and choose a file type. Right after, just go ahead and click on download and this should go ahead and download the photo on your device. Now this time, since we have created already the profile photo in Canva, just head back on LinkedIn and click on your profile photo. Once you see this pop up, you should be able to see an update button. Click on the update and right after, click on upload photo. So just choose the recently downloaded profile photo that we did on Canva and you'll have an option to crop it, zoom, straighten, add a filter, and adjust your photo as per your liking. So just do the final adjustments, and once you're already satisfied with it, just click on Save Changes. And that is just basically it how you make a LinkedIn profile photo in Canva. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.